Can you tell a mind trick from a tech flaw? 99% fail. Urgent account suspension threat. Hidden zero-width characters. CEO demanding immediate wire transfer. Typo squatting in the URL. Creating a false sense of scarcity. Invalid DKIM signature. Offering a free gift card. IP address instead of domain. Exploiting a victim's curiosity. Cyrillic replacing Latin letters. Threatening immediate legal action. Base 64 encoded email attachments. Appealing to financial greed. Mismatched reply to header. Pretending to be IT support. Obfuscated JavaScript in HTML. Invoking authority for compliance. HTTP instead of HTTPS. Leveraging the bystander effect. Puny-code domain spoofing. Using a tragedy for donations. Open redirect. correct vulnerability usage. Faking an overdue invoice. Missing SPF record. Flattery to lower defenses. Executable disguised as PDF. Fear of missing out. Suspiciously long URL string. Building rapport before requests. Macro-enabled office document. Claiming an account is compromised. Newly registered domain name. Offering exclusive insider information. Self-signed SSL certificate. Intimidating a junior employee. Invisible iframe injection. Exploiting holiday shopping stress. SMTP relay exploitation. Demanding a password reset. DMARC policy set to none.